Is this a hair remover by any chance?
Toothbrush.
ये पता नहीं क्यों है इसमें.
Party popper. Oh my god. I don't know what this is.
Looks like a small, very small spoon though.
Probably you can just roll this up right till here, and when you remove it, you get those curly thing in your hair.
There's a blackhead remover.
Turn it around and then you pick up some thread and try and practice. So it's actually you are learning to do something and while getting ready for the party and removing your haircuts.
ये eyebrows के लिए है, हाँ? Instead of we men doing like this.
I don't know, something like this comes with shavers and all.
You go to party and because of one of those party popper nonsense, the glitters that fall on you, to remove them, you use this brush. It's actually a glitter remover. You remove, brush it off like this, and maybe I'm ready for party. This is the brush. I don't know what else you can use this for. And it provides for a comb whisper.
तो घास काटने वाला लगता है, लेकिन हाँ कोई नेल कटर वगैरह होगा.
Yes, this is eyebrow plucker.
Oh, hang on. I think so this can be used somewhere for your nail.
I think this is used to plug nose hair.
बीवी अगर गुस्सा हो जाएगा तो she can use this as a weapon, she can just pull my nose.
Wow.
Looks like a mirror without a mirror.
वो जो hair जब अटकता है तो I think so उसके लिए use करते हैं ये. I think so because that's a hard surface.
It seems like for hard skin. I think if you get like hard skin here, I think you just scrub it off with this.
Nail filer.
It definitely has to be underarms because that's something, though it's easily accessible and reachable, that's something which we normally don't put our hands into.
Nice fragrance.
Room freshener. This is a room freshener, guys. Dry shampoo. This is dry shampoo.
But how can a shampoo be like in a...
What, you just put it and you are like done with the shampoo? I think I should buy one of these.
This is the very good thing I have to say.
इसको कैसे use करेंगे यार?
It's a little risky when they do something like this and then do this up. So the eyelash actually goes up.
Yeah, I don't want to lose my lashes.
Yeah, tell me more about it. Now, what happened? Did you go to the party or not? Yeah?
Look, buddy. Not any closer.
Don't panic. Don't move. I'm behind you. Come in the corner.